just because I tried to buy early, held too long. By the time I got to the news, which was garbage and old, realized this is crap, waited until last resort, which was down here as support. It couldn't hold, broke, I'm out. But down here, I would have rather tried to hold here like I did to look for a rebound because it could have. And I'm willing to risk a couple $100 inside of this, which is a couple more percent for the potential to run back up. Does that make sense? We have to let it work once we're in there, but you don't want this thing to just crush your soul, right? So you gotta cut it. You gotta cut the loss and be like, I don't care. Wait for the next setup. All right, Apple. Let's see, Apple. Apple to the upside. I think we get in here a little early. Let me look. Nope, we can't. 176.50 up. 175.39 down. Excuse me. AMD. Same thing here. AMD, we can. Dang it! Hold on. Let me look. We're ahead of the game right now. Yeah. Okay. So this is a huge spot. You guys see how this is going to be a double top here? If they can't break that, you're going to get a major pullback today on this, right? If it tries to come up and touch this for a triple top. So right here on all your screens, this is gold. So this is going to be 183.50 is a gold level upside. Yeah, this is massive. Can you guys see it? And do you see why I marked it in gold? So the good thing with that is when it comes up here, you bet I'm going to be looking at puts, right? Because that's a major level of resistance. And then, of course, if it goes above it, well, now it's support, but it's a major level. It's touched it a lot. Big, big deal for that. Okay. So again, 183.50 up. Yeah. All right. I see it right here. 181.67-ish down. Now, if you guys look at this, it's because of here. You can start to see it slow down in here. And we got all this traffic in here, right? With some other areas. That's why. All right. That's AMD. Amazon. 176.10 up. Now look at this. Look at this checkerboarding over here. That's a big deal. See it? So we're going to go just below all the noise. So 175.70 down. And that could be a little early, but that's where it's showing right there. All right, Google. See, just like Google has these two areas. So let's see. So Google, so we'll go with the highest one. So 148.35 up. Now look at all these yesterday. You see how this all matters? Look at all of these on that touching on the bottom. Everybody see it? Kind of a mind of why I'm doing it. 147.75 down. So this all makes sense why you guys can see this, right? Mara. So same thing like right here, right? You would go, oh, well, it's right here. It is, but the problem is because we're at 9 o'clock and we've got 30 minutes, I put you here, this thing runs up another 50 cents, we're in trouble. So what I do is I'll take where it looks like it's going to be good, but because it's touching the ceiling, we're going to give this more range, right? So we'll go 1977 up, which will give us a couple more cents to the upside. Right here, if you look at this. So it's 1977 up. Go a little lower right here. 1938 down. See, just like this. So 70 is the upside, but guess what? It's so close. So we're going to say Meta 500 up. And then I like it down here. Oh, right here. Hold on. So, this one's tough. I could go with any one of these levels. If you guys look at this, those are your three levels. So we're going to go 500 up, 497 down. And I know it's a $3 difference, but that's what it is. Microsoft. See how quick I can draw these areas up? It shouldn't take you more than 6 seconds to draw out the entire area, right? Once you understand how this works. Should never take you longer than 6 to 10 seconds to get you everything you need to know about when as soon as you look at a chart. Microsoft. Now this one's tough, right? Because this is a 423 up, but we're sitting at 421.23. So I mean, we have to do it though. This is what it's showing us. So upside's going to be 423, and I know it's huge. Sometimes they are because look how much it gapped up. Okay. And now look at where it's at to the downside. So it's going to be 423 up or 420 and 50 cents down. Because you guys could see this is actually a level at 421.50, but we already broke it. But this is a good level here. See it? You know this is going to play out today. You know it is because this was yesterday's high. Hit it in the pre-market, sitting in here. Here it is again. Here it is again, right? Keeps dancing. This is a big level today, yes? Same thing here. It should take you this long to set up. Here, here, and here. That's it. And, you know, if you wanted to get really technical, there's all your levels. See that? Boom, done. How long did that take? 5 seconds, right? There's every level of Netflix to play today. See it? So Netflix to the upside is going to be 624 because it was so close anyways. Now this one's tough, right? Because 622 is a level. And we're at 622.67 now. Netflix average range could be $5 to $7 easily. So we have to look at the true range. So I'm calculating all this in my head as we go as well. So 624 up, and same with this one, because now I have to decide, do I want 622 or 620? 118. So I'm going to go 622 down. So 624 up, 622 down.